When you brought the $1 million in cash on Rogan's podcast, did you have security with you?
We had security, but only by Joe Rogan's request. Because he said, "You really going to bring it?
Yeah.
Do you have security?" I said, "No." He's like, "Don't worry about it. I'll send my security."
So you were going to do it without security?
Yeah, we're going to wing it. I was told not to tell anyone.
Yeah.
But I sent pictures of it to everyone I know.
Yeah.
So that was probably a security risk.
Yeah. So it's just you in a car with a bag of cash.
Yeah, it was a company that sponsors me, Shuffle.com. It was their friend, a friend of theirs. So a guy that's never met me before just took the risk to show up to a stranger's house with $1 million in cash to bring to Joe Rogan. It was a big risk of him.
And you just put it in the car and drove it.
Drove it over there, yeah.
Yeah. With no security except Joe.
Except Joe.
That's common sense.
And then Joe said he'd never seen $1 million before.
Yeah.
But I don't know if I believe him.
That's what everyone says. That's what Pablo Escobar probably says also. What's your relationship with risk? Especially with the risk of death?
I would say I'm very risk averse.
You are? No, you're not. That's a lie.
My relationship with risk, I like a bit of excitement. I like a bit of adventure. I'm more about the adventure, but I will not let the risk get in the way of it. And also, obviously, just got back from Ukraine. I'm happy to take a few risks if it's part of what the locals want me to do. You know what I mean? Like in Kazakhstan, we did some things that were dangerous. Like if the locals are like, come along, join in on this activity, I feel personally obligated to go with them.
So it's not about the risk. Like you're not attracted to risk. You're attracted to adventure. And the risk is a thing you don't give a damn about.
Yeah.
If it comes along with it.
Sometimes the best adventures involve the most risk, unfortunately.